Good morning, baby.
Good morning.
What are you? Looks good.
Cocoa puffs.
But mine look better.
You're tripping. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to our channel. My name is Emily, and
This is Miroslava.
we are having breakfast, and we're gonna go to get adjusted by a chiropractor. Anyways, so we are going to the chiropractor. We are. What? God is the reason why I remain strong today.
Ooh, I got you.
I get. Oh, is this thing focusing or no?
No, you should a little bit
right there. God is the reason why I remain strong today.
Amen.
So I get these messages every day, and I love them. Amen. So anyways, we're going, and we're excited because, as you guys know, my fiance has been having like this chest pain.
No, they don't know. I haven't put it out there with them.
Well, if you follow us on Instagram, you know my fiance has been having this chest pain / shoulder / your whole arm. I'm just like,
My whole fucking body.
so she is.
Okay, let me explain what it is. So based on science, what I have is called Costochondritis, which is inflammation of your cartilage / ribs. So what it does to you, sometimes it doesn't make you do anything.
What it does to you sometimes doesn't make you do anything?
Anything like physical activity, if you can say so. Does that make sense? Yeah, so you feel like sometimes you're like normal, and then you try to stretch a little bit and it hurts pretty damn much. And then you feel like a lot of pressure here, like it's really bad. I cannot work out in certain areas. If I work out, one day I'm okay, and then the next day it's very painful. So I've been to physical therapy, and they did x-rays. Now they're about to do a CT scan, but to be honest, I don't think something's gonna come up. So
it's because they tell her that it's costochondritis. Is that did you already say that?
Yeah. That's what the doctor
That's
said.
what they keep telling her, but usually, well, it can take up to like a few months to like more than a year for it to get healed. But you've been having this for a year now, and
Nothing helps.
Nothing helps. And it's really, really bad. So I saw this chiropractor on Instagram, and we're going, and that's thanks to a friend that posted that on Instagram. So anyways, we're gonna go, and I'm excited because I have this feeling that he is gonna be able to help her out. And I'm kind of scared because I don't like to get cracked, simply because
Kind of cracking and
simply because you have to sign that thing. That
she's getting nervous. She's getting scared.
That you have to sign that thing that like
waiver.
Yeah, where anything bad can happen, and I don't like signing those things, as you guys know. And as if you saw our vlog, our San Diego vlog, you guys know why, because I get scared. But anyways, so we're gonna go, and because I have like this pain in my tailbone. I've been having it ever since we came back from, you didn't know this, but we went to San Jose, and that is a long drive back. That was like, what, 6-7 hours? And the whole time, obviously, I'm just sitting down, and we would just stop to like the gas station, like maybe like twice, and then to use the restroom. Excuse me. But other than that, I was sitting down. So ever since I came back, like I've been feeling my tailbone like it hurts, so it's more painful. Ow, it hurts right now. It's more.
So you're talking about him without his permission.
Ever since like in the mornings, it hurts more. So hopefully that can help. So that's what we're gonna do, and we're having something light.
Very light. What we're gonna do, we're extremely excited. Like I have a lot of faith that Mr. Chiropractor, he's gonna fix us. And yeah, I mean, I really hope that, because I miss training a lot. I miss working out, doing my weights. I mean, you can do them,
you
but
really can't really do much.
Nah, trust me. Like
she can hug me in the nights
on my left side. I can't even sleep on my left side. Like it's that painful. That it's always my
So
right side.
It just hurts and it sucks.
It really sucks.
It sucks. But anyways, we're gonna finish off our cereal. And then we're waiting for my sister because she doesn't have school today, and then she's gonna go with
always.
us.
Where's that little girl?
And we're gonna go. So we'll see you when we're heading over there.
Upper back pain, do you, like I said, do you get the back pain in your like upper shoulders, or is it mostly just at the tippy top here?
Upper shoulders, yeah. And then as well on my lower back on my right side, it hurts all the time.
On your right side?
Yeah, when I stretch it helps, but I used to drive a lot, so maybe that's the reason why.
You're gonna get goodie bags for stopping by. Kids get stickers, adults get the fun stuff. So that's really nice. Yeah, no problem. You guys can use the restroom and straight out the hall to the right. There's also a water station with hot tea samples. Feel free to help yourself to whatever you need.
We can record you too, right?
Yes, of course.
Okay, record her. She's really nice.
That's for sure. If you guys need anything at all, my name's Katie. I'll just be at the front desk, okay?
Appreciate it.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
Doc will come in just a second. He'll go over everything we'll discuss and then take some films of you, okay?
All right, thank
Just
you.
hang out here for just a minute.
All right, thank you.
Thank you so much.
This is their info. If you want to connect with them on social media. Yep.
Short leg, yeah. Get them up here now. Just one of them though. That's the problem.
So which one is it? This one, the left one, or the right?
It's actually the right.
The right. I was thinking
So
that right now.
when I saw you standing and you put your left leg out long, I
Yeah, I
kind
was
of thought
thinking
it was
that
the
too.
right. The brain doesn't like to stand on the long leg because it thinks the other one won't touch. So it goes short leg and puts the long out. So
Yeah, that's what I was thinking right now too. No, I swear I was thinking that.
I believe you.
No, it's this one. So last time I was telling the other girl that came in, we went to get adjusted, and I told him about it because that was my
You
instant
felt
thought.
it. Yeah.
And he was like, "Oh no, they're fine. They're perfectly
So
fine." And
when
he
we
tried to
check
adjust
leg
me,
length
and
on
he
the
couldn't.
table, it's not an accurate way of doing it.
Oh, that's the way he did it.
Yeah, that's not accurate because nothing's flat. You're not having gravity, and they're not standing up. When you're laying on a table, your pelvis could be out and actually make the wrong leg look short. So the standard way of doing it is a standing X-ray. You know, where the ground's level and you're just standing there, and we can see if one is shorter than the other. Let me show you. Come here.
Okay, cool.
So here's your left hip. There's
Oh my God.
There's your right hip. That's your left femur head right there, and that's your right one.
Oh wow.
So what I'll do, I'm going to put a level line, like a laser line in the computer, from this one over the top of that one. I'll measure the difference. I think it's like 5 inches out.
Crazy.
Yeah, the tailbone's stuck between the hips, right? And the hips sit on top of the legs. So if you're misaligned here, you're going to be misaligned here. And then that's what happens all the way up. So I got an immediate fix for this, and then we just start treating the back. That little one right there. That was bugging me for a long time. So the table pops up under you like this. Here's the sacrum or the tailbone right here, and this is the right one that's high. We're going to push this one down, and it just makes a drop noise like that. There you go, preps it, and then we follow that up here. And this is where costochondritis comes from. The first rib is actually very high. It's higher than your collarbone. So this bone right here actually has a rib with it. So we're going to go right here, adjust that. Instant relief, right? Turn on your side to me here. This leg there. Nice. Wow, that's not even your bad side. Let's go this way. So this side's got all the pressure on it. This one's been pinched for a while. There it is. There it is. Face up. Imagine that pressure that's been in there. That's why it affects like walking and sitting and stuff. Nice. So for costochondritis, we drop below that other rib that we just did. We get the other ones.
I
Okay.
fell to that one. Yeah.
So then let's do this here. So I'm gonna adjust a couple of these ribs. So do this, have your hand, put your hand on your breast. Touch my side. They're actually ribs that are going into your sternum, and that's where the pinching comes from. At home, just lay on a couch with this arm off the bed. Maybe you can put something heavy in your arm, and just let it stretch like that. And you're just helping this pull open to support the adjustment.
Okay.
Let's do these ribs. All right. There you go. Your legs this way. You sit face down right there.
Your legs. Move it over here.
I'm sorry.
Like this. Abierto el pechito. And open that. There we go. We're gonna come right over here. I'm gonna actually bring your legs this way, pushing the hips this way, and again dragging this way. So what happens is we're gonna be pushing the disc and the open, we call it the open wedge, back in to take pressure off that L5 nerve that's going down to your leg. Foot. Nice. Oh boy.
I know.
You have a frequent headache, don't you? It's like almost always there.
Oh.
Turn on your side to me this way here.
Just like this? Uh-oh.
So this side down. Okay. So with that open wedge right here, we're going to adjust. Because it's not just like a bone pinching a nerve for you, it's a little bit of a slip disc. Is it bulged? We don't know unless we have an MRI. Or that's what we're going to do first 12 treatments. And find out if that leg pain goes away. But here's where it's coming from, watch this. There you go. And not too much force. You saw how it kind of almost wants to go. Let's go this way. Shoulder back, and we're going to rotate. Good. Face up. Now for like ocular migraines, headaches, dizziness, vertigo, nauseousness. It's been out of the plan for a long time.
Oh my god.
Right there. Okay. Coming up.
Oh my god.
Can you imagine like it was like twisted and stuck?
Yes, I felt that.
And,
oh my god.
You know, first we tried to put a little bit of pressure.
I feel lighter.
Immediately.
Wow, that's so crazy.
We're gonna get you back to life. Okay? It's in my contract.
Back to life.
4 times a day. But what we'll do is, I mean, you guys are perfect candidates for chiropractic. You saw the X-ray, there's misalignments. Who doesn't have them unless you get them adjusted?
Yeah.
They have a whole body effect on you. Yeah, they cause pain, but they also cause your body not to work as good as it should. So we'll look at that and get you guys healthy. And
That is so crazy.
I'll measure your X-ray today. I think it's only 5 millimeters.
Okay.
And I have the lifts here, so. Let's schedule X-ray viewing for Friday and go over everything together.
Friday. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
So I was gonna ask you, I'm allowed to work out,
Yeah.
weights and everything?
Yeah, yeah.
Because what I noticed
For
is,
you, I would say not right now. Like, I wouldn't want you to do any vertical compression. So
Oh,
no
it
squats.
hurts when I do any.
Yeah, because the disc can slip more. But with yours, immediately now you can work out even better than you did before.
okay,
Wow.
so it's not gonna affect the chest, because I'm really scared with the chest.
You're
No,
gonna do
I'm
that corner stretch, right? And
yeah.
to support my adjustment. Lay on the couch, stretch that out. Put a little ice right there. But no, you're already good to go.
Wow.
Nice. So this is really nice. We're good? Alright. How are you feeling? Huh?
I feel light.
This is the office where it's the... Huh?
I feel light, and then I just feel a little like it hurts a little bit here. just a little bit. But other than that, pretty good. Hey, what's up, y'all? So that was our experience with the chiropractor. It was so freaking cool. It was amazing. We highly recommend Dr. Wikoff. Like, he did an amazing job, like, adjusting us, explaining everything. He knew right away what is wrong with us, and he knows how to, like, fix us and stuff. So we're very happy. Our body, okay. We're very happy with his service. Like, all of his staff is amazing. We highly recommend him. So we're gonna put all of his information in the description box, and I feel very confident we're gonna be like so much better when we're gonna feel healthier. How do you feel?
I think that he knows what he's talking about, so we need to go back to him and see how everything works. And yeah, we're going back.
We're going back this Friday.
So today. So we'll see how it goes, and hopefully,
so make sure you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it, and
thank you for watching.
So much for watching.
Get your cracking.
See you guys next time.
See you guys. Bye.